saying. You know, at the end of it all, you do a procession. That's what we want to avoid.
But we are just passing the time. We are passing the time just. Let us simplify things. Let us simplify things.
Bagana mara kamera.
No, ne ya wana mauri. Muka kasatu kwa.
How many people are you moving with that you know?
Now you make me explain myself. It does not break any law for me to have a system. It does not break any law for me to have political system. It does not break any law for me to have people that help me with food. So what is wrong with me carrying my assistant? Yes, really you are doing things that are out of the law, okay? No, it is you complicating it, officer, okay? Other presidential candidates are allowed to move with their assistants. Other presidential candidates are allowed to move with journalists, okay? Then please don't act illegally. No, the officers are saying I'm not allowed to move with medical assistants. They say I'm not allowed to move with political assistants. They say I'm not allowed to move with journalists. Apparently they are saying I'm supposed to move with only 2 cars. Okay, which I completely disagree with. And machete. Well, abasirikale n'abapoliisi bagaddewo ekkubo bagambye sirina kugenda gye nina genda bagambye sirina kutambula nabantu ntambula nabo naye ntambula n'abasawo ntambula n'abannaffe abatutundira emmere ntambula ne bannamawulire ntambula n'abanyambako okuteekateeka programu ya politika system naye kati abasirikale bo bangaga sirina ekitwakanya. No.
Seca.
So now,
These have got another place. This vehicle is not going to come without a plate.
bakulaba amatiki emotoka eno nga bannamawulire naye bagigambye kutambula right now. Bapresi yange bakupresi tofulumye.
I thought we were working, that's why I never minded. But we have actually back at office, Abatulaba amatidi yeyo embeera eriwo, yeyo embeera eri wano, yeyo embeera eri wano. Ne poliisi etusazeeko wano wennyini. Poliisi nyingi nnyo 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 nga gyenkomezza. Poliisi nyingi nnyo nnyo nga gyenkomezza. Batukiriza. Batukiriza. Jemba kiki?
Kiri abadde annyonnyola oli gaayi.
Abatulaba amatidi eyo embeera. Eyo embeera eri wano batusazeeko. Bagamba nti pulezidenti bannamawulire abaleke, n'emmotoka z'eddwaliro azireke, naye tukyali wano mu kusika muguwa nabo